Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to track orders on Temu. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you want to open up the Temu app on your device and make sure you have logged into your account. Now tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. After that, tap on Your Orders. And here you should be able to find all of your orders. If you're not able to find it here, then tap on Self-Service to find the order. Once you tap on this option, you're going to find 4 different methods. The first one is to provide a phone number. The second one is to provide an email address. The third one is to provide an order ID. And the fourth one is to provide payment information. Now from here, you can pick any one. So let's say email address. All you have to do now is enter your email address here and tap on the orange button that says Find Order, and you should be able to find your order in this way. So that's basically how you can track orders on Temu. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.